Hi everyone, it's time for my book of the month. And this month it's Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Out of all the business related books I've read, this has probably had the most profound impact on me. In fact, I wish I'd read it as a young adult. I would highly recommend that once you've read it, give it to a young adult and encourage them to read it. I'm pretty sure it'll also have a profound effect and impact on them. And you'll know what I mean once you've read it. There's so many different things that I've learned from this wonderful book, but here are the top 5 that I'd like to share with you today. Number 1, the rich don't work for money. Money works for them. Number 2, financial literacy is crucial. It's not how to make money that's important, but how to keep it that you must learn. Number 3, rich people acquire assets, not liabilities. An asset puts money in your pocket, and a liability takes money out of your pocket. Number 4, mind your own business. Don't spend your life working for someone else. Focus on your asset column. And finally, number 5, use your assets to buy luxuries. Get your money working for you and use that to buy that nice new sports car. There are so many things to learn, and I'm sure you'll come up with your own. I'd be very interested, in fact, to hear what your top 5 are about. Why don't you share them in our No Limits community chat? Looking forward to reading them. And Rich Dad, Poor Dad is also available on an audiobook if you want to listen to them in the car or walking the dog. Enjoy.